Hey everybody, Ricky from Connerty Meadows Farm. So today we are going to start the spiral herb garden, and we are putting it in the front of our lawn. So let me just pop you around so you can have a wee look there. All right, so where those bricks are is approximately where our spiral garden is going to go. We have 2 pear trees here, and then that is mint, lemon balm, and catnip. And then I have a little shrub right here that is my snowball bush, and then that's where we're going to put the spiral garden. So I'm hoping to get this all on video for you guys today. And Callie is helping cut the lawn back. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we took a piece of twine and we made this our middle post. Then we measured 3 feet from that post to all of the outer edges. So the total circumference of our circle is going to be 6 feet. And we had to move all the stones that we had there. We'll be using some of those stones for the outer edges. All right, so the next step is we're gonna skim off the top layer of sod, and then that'll help level it out, and then we will add the cardboard. This is today's work. We cleaned the bottom out, scraped, measured, put the cardboard down, put all the stones down, collected the stones, and this is what it's gonna look like. So left to do in this project is we're actually gonna use some of our poop to fill in the bottom part here, because there's no need to pay for that much soil when really you're probably only going to need that much soil, maybe a handful. So to save some money, we're going to fill the bottom of this with some of our older animal poop, and that will help us out. This is a herb spiral, and it's close to the house. And it will have things like rosemary, thyme, sage, oregano, all of those kind of plants. Full circle round. All right. We went and grabbed some of our composting manure, and we've just filled some of the spiral. Our soil is due to come in a few days, and then we'll finish filling this up and be able to plant it. Almost ready. We have finished the spiral herb garden. So at the top here we have rosemary, then we have thyme, we have oregano, we have parsley in the house that needs to come out, we have chives, we have basil in the house that still needs to come out, we have lavender, sage, cilantro, and then down here we will have summer savory and stevia. So let me just pull back and you can see, I'll just do a quick roundabout here. So we had to finish up today grabbing a few more of the rocks. I still really think like I need a statue or a bird bath or something right there, so I'll find something. I'm gonna take my time and make sure it's the right item. So once this all fills in, it's gonna look really, really nice. We just have to mulch it down with straw yet. And there we go. That's how we make our herb spiral garden. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.